Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So I decided to buy the NYX 24-day advent calendar situation from Ulta. This is $60 and it is the Gimme Super Stars 24-day holiday countdown, and you get 24 items in here. I have never actually done one of these, but the more and more like I see these, the more and more I want them, and this was $60. So I want to see if I open it up before you guys buy it or buy it for somebody else, is it worth the $60 you're paying for it? So this is kind of what it looks like as a whole. It's pretty big, like it's bigger, it's taller than my head. Think of it that way. And then on the back, it does tell you what you get, which I feel like takes kind of like the fun out of it. And then this is what it looks like inside, which is super pretty. I love the decor of it. The decor, the aesthetic, I don't know, but I love the inside, the decoration. Look how big it is. So number one, the first thing that you get is a butter gloss. And this is in the shade Praline. I also got a couple of other things from Ulta. I'll probably show you guys at the end just to show you what they are. So it is a very pigmented, creamy gloss. I do love their butter glosses, but again, like this is the reason I don't care for these. I think that somebody else will probably like it because you could kind of try it, but it's like just like a sample size product. So I'm just like, I don't know. Let's look for number two. Number two is a Utopia Pigment Compact. So is it for the eyes? Pressed pigment contact. Do not use around the eye. What? So I'm just assuming it's just a pressed pigment powder that you can use as eyeshadow, but they tell you not to use it around the eye, so I'm gonna tell you not to use it around the eye just for obvious purposes, but it's just a pressed pigment. Oh wow. It's actually really pigmented. You could probably use it as a blush too, looking at that color. So the third one is the HD Studio Photogenic Eyeshadow Base. And then this is what the base itself looks like. And then that is how small it is, which I feel like would last someone quite a while if you're not using too terrible much of it. And then number four is the Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. So it's like a cream highlighter you could probably use under your foundation, under your highlighter, for your highlighter. That's actually really pretty and it doesn't feel very oily. It's pretty creamy. Okay, let's go number five. What do we have in number five? Soft Matte Lip Cream. So I do love their soft matte lip creams. This is really pretty color too. And this is in the color Leon. They're not dry. It reminds me of like almost like a lip stain meets like a semi matte. It's really pretty color. So let's go number six. Another eyeshadow. So we have a Utopia Rose Gold Pressed Pigment. I am assuming these are eyeshadows. I know it says don't use it around the eye, but this one is like a shimmer. Oh, that is creamy. So pretty. Oh my god, it's gonna be beautiful on the eye. Number seven. On the seventh day of Christmas, NYX gave to me a paper cut on my pinky. So we have another butter gloss, and this one is in the shade Cinnamon Roll. These are super tiny, but I feel like if you have like, you know, a lot of makeup like me, like these will probably never be finished. So many different makeups. So number eight is another pressed pigment. This one is like a bronzy, but it definitely shows like gold reflex green. I don't know what is in there. Oh, that's pretty. That is really pretty. Oh my god, I love these little things. Number nine. Oh, so this is another butter gloss, and I'm not going to swatch this because I'm probably going to give this to my girls. This is a super pale color. This is called Fortune Cookie. I'll open it, but yikes. That is really pale. Number 10, another Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. It's just a darker one. This one is in the shade Gleam, and the first one was in the shade Sunbeam. And these I feel like would last you a long time. Liquid illuminators, you don't need very much of them. So right here, I just put just a little this time. Ooh, that'll actually look really nice under foundation. I feel like you can barely see that one on my skin tone. So I think that one will look really nice under my foundation. Number 11, another soft matte lip cream in the shade Abu Dhabi. Oh, that's really pretty. Oh, I think I'm gonna put this one on. Oh, that is actually really pretty. You know, my skin, I'm having extreme flare-ups with my eczema lately. It has not been an easy month so far for me. Alright, so the next thing I have is Utopia Gold. This is labeled as an eyeshadow, and it looks like it's a pressed glitter. Oof. Oh, I'm going to be using that one. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh. Number 13 is a soft matte lip cream in the shade Monte Carlo. Look at that red. Oh, that is beautiful. It's so beautiful. It is more pinky red, I will say that. And it's a little streaky as I'm swatching it on my hand. So keep that in mind. This is the NYX Pore Filler Primer. Also, don't come for me because I said makeup is better than chocolate, because we all have our own opinion. I don't care for chocolate that much. So if you gave me this advent calendar instead of chocolate, I would be like your best friend. So the next thing is the Translucent HD Finishing Powder. And I mean, I can swatch it, but it's just white. And then it's just translucent, which it looks like it might give some flashback. Might give a little flashback. Hopefully not. Oh my god, my hand is now like so sparkly because of that gold. I'm trying to like hide my face. Like, cut it out. Got another soft matte lip cream in Budapest. This is actually a really, really pretty color. It's like a mauve plum purple situation. Oh, it's definitely more plum purple. So that's what that looks like. It is a little streaky. I won't lie to you. Like, you can see parts are darker than the others, so it might just take a little bit more application than just one. We have another butter gloss in the shade Tiramisu. I feel like lips is the primary goal here, and the only thing is I wish that they would kind of mix it up and do less lipsticks. I feel like they did a lot of lipsticks. So that's that butter gloss. Hashtag this is everything. Ooh, lip oil. I think I had this lip oil before. Oh, yep. So just clear. There's no point in me swatching it. I don't know why I did that, but it is their This Is Everything lip oil, and it's actually really nice. So I believe that they came out with this around the time that Kylie came out with her lip oil. And like the price difference was astronomical, and I was just like, no, I would never. Just get the NYX one. It's really nice. The only problem is, like, I go through lip oils so fast, so like that little guy, I'm not gonna stand a chance. So we have another eyeshadow. Ooh, that's so pretty. And this one is in the shade Purple Shimmer. Utopia Purple Shimmer. Oh my god. I love how it feels. Like, it feels gritty, and then you swatch it, and then it just melts in your hand, like on your fingers. So that is what that purple looks like. That is so freaking stunning. Like, that is purple. Number 20. We only have 4 days left till Christmas. Just kidding, it's still November. Alright, so the butter gloss, the next butter gloss is in Butterscotch, and I think this will look really pretty over this. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. Whichever ones I did, those two are cute together. And that butter gloss was in Butterscotch. I don't know if I said that. Day 21, lip cream in Stockholm. It's a little strange. It's a little bit light for me, so I'll probably give that to my girls too. Oh, hell yeah. It's a little too pale pinky for me. Ugh, I always look sick when I put those colors on. Then we have another Utopia Dark Purple Pressed Pigment. It's just a purple shadow. So it's definitely more pink undertone, if you can see that. It's a little patchy, but I expect that from purples a lot of the times. Even from expensive brands. I have glitter all over my face now, just because they're hard to really create. Alright, so this is another soft lip cream, but you can't really see the words. And it's in the color Copenhagen. It smells so good. It smells like vanilla. And that is the color of Copenhagen, which is really, really pretty. And the last day, the 24th day, Christmas Eve. Here we go. Butter Gloss Brown Drip. I'll show it to you like this. Very pretty. I have like those white, it's all over the stuff. It's little white pieces of paper. So that is what that one looks like. It's just a brown lip gloss. almost like a caramel brown. It's really, really pretty actually. I really like that. I love the butter glosses. They are really, really nice. I just think that they will last me quite a while, but for someone who may not contain the amount of makeup that I do, is probably gonna run out of that real fast. Because lip glosses you're always applying. Do you know what I mean? So that is it for this 24-day advent calendar collection from NYX. If I'm being honest, I do not think that this is worth $60. I don't. I think that you could go to Ulta and pick out $60 worth of this brand, and you would have better options, full-size options, and you would probably get a decent amount. NYX is a very affordable brand. Like, we're talking like $3.99, $5.99, sometimes more. The XXL are like $8.99 or $9.99, but again, you're getting like full-size products, so $60 for this I don't think is very reasonable. I mean, maybe I'm wrong. Comment down below and let me know what you think. Would you think that if you got this it'd be really cool? Would you pay $60 for this? It's gonna be a no, but like maybe a yes. It just depends on who you're buying it for, and it's just different perspectives. So someone else who might really, really enjoy opening those cute little things will probably really like that. I do love the eyeshadows. I love the butter glosses. They're one of my favorite. So I just think that I wish that they would have done like maybe 12 days and done full-size products for $60. I think that it just would have been better that way. I don't like little sample stuff. So take that. Do what you will with it. I will link it down below, so if you do want to purchase it, if you like it, we're all different, or if you think someone you know will like it, then you can find it there. But $60 is kind of steep for samples. But that is it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed the advent calendar from NYX. And as always, if you did like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up for me. Make sure you are subscribed before you leave so you don't miss out on any of my future videos, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye!